Hey, this is Sue from Space Grid, and I'm here to give you a tour of our software using your Norfolk site. So, as you can see, we've built it on a base layer of Google Earth, and it makes it extremely easy to use and easy to navigate. And so let's go in and let's start creating a storyboard to help us ultimately digitize the whiteboard and replace it, trash it at last. So we're going to create a storyboard. The start will be May 1st. It'll go through May 29th. So we've got 28 days of activity. And let's just say on May 4th, we're going to add a vessel. Let's add a bulk carrier. So we drag it into the scene. And let's get a little closer. We can take this carrier, spin it around, and then put it into place. Let's put it here. And let's just say this is where the work will be done. You can see it's been registered. Now let's just say 6 days later, or we'll make it 7 days later, the 11th, we'll move it. So we're going to take it from here, we'll move it here, and then a few days, you'll see it's registered a few days after that. Let's make it the 13th. We'll have it leave, so we'll mark that as the 13th, mark as departed. So you can see we've created a storyboard here. Any vessel or piece of equipment, whether it's a dumpster, a crane, a hoist, it can do three things. It can arrive, it can move, and it can depart. So if we go through and we see what we've created, I can take us through a timeline, and you can see there's nothing here yet. And now we get to May 4th, there's our vessel. And a few days after that, we have it moving on the 11th, and then on the 14th, it disappears, meaning it's gone. So your team is able to see what goes where when, and really everyone is on the same page. Okay, the other thing I'd like to show you that this is very popular with dock masters and planners is this measurement tool. It's a dynamic tool that can help, that helps people to quickly measure distances without having to go out onto the yard and do it manually. So that's just a really quick take. We integrate with various platforms. We do a lot of things, but this will give you a good overview. So let's have a conversation. Thank you.